Unlocking the world of learning, the power of educational workshops. Hello and welcome, learners from around the globe. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of education that can greatly enrich your learning journey. We're talking about educational workshops. Whether you're a student, a professional looking to enhance your skills, or simply a curious mind, understanding what educational workshops are and how they can benefit you is key. Let's unlock the potential of these unique learning experiences together. Educational workshops are interactive learning sessions designed to engage participants in hands-on activities, discussions, and problem-solving scenarios. Unlike traditional lectures where the focus is on listening, workshops emphasize active participation and practical learning. They are usually conducted by experts or facilitators who guide participants through the learning process, often in a more informal or creative setting. The goal is to foster a deeper understanding of specific topics or skills, encouraging learners to apply what they've learned in real-world contexts. Participating in an educational workshop can offer numerous benefits. Firstly, workshops provide an opportunity for personalized learning. Since they are typically conducted in smaller groups, facilitators can offer more individual attention, tailoring the learning experience to each participant's needs. Secondly, workshops are great for skill development. They often focus on practical skills that can be immediately applied, such as public speaking, writing, or technical abilities relevant to your field of interest. Additionally, workshops facilitate networking. They bring together people with similar interests or goals, creating a space for sharing ideas, experiences, and forming professional connections. To truly benefit from an educational workshop, active participation is key. Be prepared to engage, ask questions, and share your thoughts. Here are a few tips to maximize your workshop experience. Come prepared, research the topic beforehand and think about what you want to learn or achieve. Be engaged, participate in discussions and activities. The more you put in, the more you'll get out. Network. Use this opportunity to connect with the facilitator and other participants. These connections can be invaluable. Apply what you learn. After the workshop, think about how you can incorporate the new skills or knowledge into your personal or professional life. We hope this exploration of educational workshops has sparked your interest and shown you the value they can bring to your learning and development. Workshops are powerful tools for gaining new skills, knowledge, and connections. So why not take the leap and sign up for one that interests you? You might just discover a whole new world of possibilities. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!